Hi, happy people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and this new channel will focus on faith, fitness, and fashion. Today, I'm going to be doing a reveal of my new Louis Vuitton bum bag. This bag has been popular for, I guess, since 2017. It came out 2017 or 2018. And I've gone back and forth about getting it, but I finally decided that I'll be 40 this year. So I finally decided that I'm at the age where it doesn't matter if it's going to be quote unquote fashionable a year from now, 6 months from now, because I like it. I've decided that, honey, if Diana Ross, the boss, can wear a bum bag at her age, or a fanny pack, because I'm an 80s baby, if she can wear a fanny pack, then I can too, forever and ever and ever. So I'm going to do a reveal of my bum bag. I'm going to talk to you about the fact that there's no more date code with Louis Vuitton. And I'm going to show you some different gradations between the patina of a brand new Vachetta Louis Vuitton bag and older bags. So this has been like a really weird summer. This summer, I've purchased 2 bum bags, fanny packs, belt bags, whatever you'd like to call them. So I just told you about the Louis Vuitton bum bag I purchased, but I also picked up this vintage Chanel belt bag that I am obsessed with, but I have never worn. So if you'd like to see a review on the Chanel belt bag, what fits in it, just let me know in the comments. I'd love if you subscribe to this channel. Again, I'll focus on faith, fitness, and fashion. So let's go ahead and get into the bum bag reveal. All right. So it came in this wonderful box, right? It says Louis Vuitton. And of course, it comes with in the orange box, it's like the magnetic box. And of course, we've got the ribbon. So this is my bag. So it's already been opened. It comes in, of course, the dust bag. And this is it. So it's just a bum bag, right? Fanny pack. Child, this Vachetta is white. Oh my goodness. Like, it's not, yeah, it's still white on camera. It's white. Standard bum bag. There's only the one big pocket in the front. It has a double zipper. My bag is made in France. I think most of the bum bags are made in France. I'm not real sure. I went back and forth between ordering the standard bum bag and the one that has the My World Tour. So the My World Tour version gives you the option to have the black leather straps. But my issue with the My World Tour is that you are required to get at least one stamp. So ideally, I was going to get like this pink Louis Vuitton stamp that would have shown up on the back side of the bum bag in case I ever decided to sell it. But I actually stalked the Louis Vuitton website for a couple of weeks. Stalked it. It never gave me the option to have an email when the bag came back in stock. So I ended up calling the Louis Vuitton line, and because I had ordered a zippy organizer within the past year, they allowed me to go through the physical store. So this bag is one of 4 Louis Vuitton bum bags in the United States that was in stock at the time, which I ordered like mid-June. It does have this back pocket, great for putting your phone. I haven't actually carried this bag yet, but it's huge. It holds a lot. And of course, this is the tag. The price of the bum bag is $17.60 without tax. Oh my goodness. So I have been a Louis Vuitton girl since the early 2000s. And I have grown accustomed to, as soon as I order a bag, I immediately look for my date code because I like to see what country it's made in, what the month, well, the week of the year, and then, of course, the year. Now it comes with a RFID chip inside the bags. So I initially panicked because I searched and searched and searched this bag, and there was no date code to be found whatsoever. So as I'm searching, I went ahead and I emailed or text. I texted the SA, the sales advisor, and she informed me that there is no longer a date code in Louis Vuitton bags. Instead, they have shifted to the use of that microchip, and that's how they're going to authenticate bags now. So that was a little jarring. But around the same time, like waiting on her response to me, I have Google search like purse forum, date codes inside the Louis Vuitton bags. And through the lovely ladies at Purse Forum, I found out that as of March 2021, date codes are no longer used in the Louis Vuitton bags. So I do love this bag. The monogram canvas is very pliable. It's not stiff. And like I said, that Vachetta is white. But if you are a fan of Louis Vuitton, you know that over the course of your usage of the bag, you loving the bag, that this bag is going to patina beautifully. So I'm going to show you some various gradations. So of course, this one's brand new. It's white, white, white. That Vachetta is raw leather. So I'll hold this behind it so you can see like the contrast and how white it is. Like it's white. It's untreated leather. I never spray my bags with, people use Apple Guard. They use all sorts of things. I never treat my bags. And I think that's the beauty of the even patina that my bags tend to develop. So this won't be treated. I won't necessarily carry it in like a torrential downpour because you will get water spots. And I'll show you water spots on my Keepall 50. Okay, let's get into the gradation. So brand new white, white, white Vachetta. This is my Keepall 50. So if you can see my Keepall 50, you can see that it has a beautiful patina. It's still a little light, but its patina is developing very well. And of course, that's my luggage tag. My luggage tag actually has water spots on it. But again, we can see the difference. Oh my goodness. You can definitely see the difference between the brand new white Vachetta and the slightly patinaed Vachetta of my Keepall 50. So this bag, I don't know. It does have like some water spots that you can see. This side, evidently, a guy I was dating, I think he sat it in water at the airport. So go figure. He didn't really know, so it's okay. Beautiful bag. I love it. If you'd like to see a review on the Keepall 50 and what it could hold, let me know. Like I've packed that bag for, it's really a weekender bag, but you can get around for, you're pushing it at 5 days of clothing. So that bag is relatively new. That bag might be a 2018 bag, so it's only like 3 years. This bag is a 2010 or 2009. I can check the date code, but whatever. And this is my Speedy. So as you can see, like again, like this one is like the perfect patina. Oh, it's so honey, people. It's honey versus the white, white, white of my brand new raw Vachetta on the Bumbag. Like I love the patina on this Keepall. For me, it's perfection. I love a patina. Like it's, the honey is just beautiful. So like one thing about Louis Vuitton bags is that if it's authentic, it's always going to develop a beautiful patina. So I love this bag. This was my first Louis Vuitton piece. This Keepall was. Well, I take that back because I had a wallet like way back when. But this is my first bag, and I absolutely love it. For me, it's one of those forever pieces that I'll never get rid of, because this was the bag, honey. This was the bag that when I felt like stunting on people, that basic girl, that's what people call it, the basic B bag. This was the bag that I turned to when I just wanted to stunt on people. Big, it's a Speedy 30. I love it. And I feel like it's like a little sister to my Keepall 50. I love that bag. So yeah, that's my bum bag. Really, really, really white Vachetta. Don't be afraid of Vachetta. Like, I've never really had any major problems. Like, even the water stain on the Keepall, I feel like it just adds to the beauty of the bag. It adds to the fact that you love your bag and that you actually utilize your bag. So don't worry about the gradations. Don't worry about water spots. Enjoy the bag, people. Like, that's what it's for. It's always weird to me to see people who they basically put the bag on the shelf in the closet and it stays there. No, like, you buy these bags to use them and enjoy them and love them, and hopefully pass them on to a niece or, honey, maybe a nephew. I don't know. Work. Do whatever he gonna do. But yeah, that's it. So, oh, and I had like my Maylee bag. This is one of my favorite bags. My Maylee bag has a slightly uneven patina. Evidently, I was like using a whole bunch of lotion with this one. And then the fact that it has a luggage tag too. But this is a luggage tag that I actually took off an EO50 and that I sold. I deeply, deeply regret selling that bag. But I sold that one when I got my Keepall, and it's a regret. That's one of my I regret purchases. So again, my name is Stephanie. Thank you for allowing me to share my bum bag, my brand new Vachetta bum bag today with you. Welcome to my channel. I hope you actually subscribe. It would be great if you did. What you can expect from me, don't expect a whole bunch of editing, people. I teach history. I'm not a videographer. Nope. I'm not a YouTuber. I just really enjoy fashion and enjoy sharing. So if you just want to come and kiki with your girl, come on through. I welcome you with open arms. Most of the things that I buy, I would consider them to be androgynous. So it's not really I don't consider, especially that bum bag, I don't consider it to be a male bag or a female bag. I really think it's a general unisex bag, especially depending on how you're going to carry it. And it carries beautifully. I love it. That's it, people. I enjoyed you. I hope you enjoyed me. Leave a comment below on something you'd like to see a review of. If you'd like for me to review my Chanel belt bag or some other Chanel bags, just let me know. Everything is purchased by me. Everything is authentic. Hopefully I have something that you want to see reviewed. That would be great, because trust and believe, sis is not over here buying things to review for YouTube. These are things that I already own and I just like to share because we're in the middle of a pandemic, and sometimes we need a little ray of sunshine. So, lovies, that's it for me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you choose to spread happiness like glitter, people. Spread that shit everywhere. You know how glitter is. When it sticks, it sticks. Have a great day. Love you unconditionally. Bye!